Hello, good evening students. Let us try to understand one more problem students. What the problem is, the question they are saying student, calculate the delta RH for the reaction. Okay, so delta RH means enthalpy of this reaction they are asking. Okay, delta RH means what student? This is the enthalpy of reaction. This is what is known as student enthalpy of reaction. Their reaction already they have given student what reaction? CO2 plus this is the H2, this is giving CO plus H2O. These all are in the gaseous phase, dear students. Now dear students, what you can do, given that the enthalpy of formation of CO2, this is given, that is if you are writing whatever the given things are there student, given, so enthalpy of formation delta FH, okay, and this is CO2, how much is there student? Delta H of CO2, and then it is there minus 393, minus 393.5, okay. Wait student, something gone mistake here. Okay, so this, let me write the value again student. It is minus 393.5, this is okay, CO2. Then CO is there, for CO 111 is there, and delta enthalpy of formation of CO, it is given how much? Minus 111.3, and that is again is there H2O. So delta F, you can write delta FH, and this will be, that is H2O, how much it is giving a student? Minus, it is there 241.8. These all are there in the kilojoule per mole. Okay, so these many are there, and they are what the question is, that is respectively. So calculate, that is delta RH naught, right? So dear student, let us try to solve it out. So delta RH is equal to what? Sum of enthalpy of formation of product, sum of enthalpy of formation of product, sum of enthalpy of formation of product, this is there, minus sum of, okay, enthalpy of, sum of enthalpy of formation of reactant, sum of enthalpy of formation of reactant. This is the two terms are there student that we have to keep in mind. Okay, sum of enthalpy of formation of product are there students. So that is in the equation, what are the product that you keep in mind? That is CO and H2O are there the product, and both are the 1 mole are there student. Here is 1 mole and here is also 1 mole. So that is we are writing, that is we can write, that is delta FH and H2O plus what will be there student? Delta FH, that is CO2 minus CO2, not CO2 student, this is the CO, this is the CO. Now let us have a look over what are the reactant are there, H2 and CO2. So that is what we can write, delta FH CO2 and plus what will come student, this is in the middle bracket, delta FH, and this will be, that is H2. This is bracket close. Now dear student, for H2 is standard state. I know this is the standard state, so its enthalpy will be 0. Here you put out the value of H2O. How much is there student? H2O, that is 241.8. So if you talk about the H2O, this is the minus 241.8. This is the minus 241.8, and then delta FHCO. So CO, you can see out CO 111.3. So it will come student minus 111.3. This will be there negative sign. This is the middle bracket is there. HCO2, CO2 how much is there student? 393.5. So negative sign 393. Okay student, 393.5. Up dear students, this is the for hydrogen it is standard state, it will be the 0 students, right? So here you solve it out student. If you are solving these two terms, so it is how much is coming is 213. So it is coming 353.1, and minus into minus, this is plus, it will how much student? It is already there 393.5. So if you see this is the larger value, so this will be negative, and if you are subtracting it is coming 40.4. This is the kilojoule. So enthalpy of the reaction is how much, student? 40.4 kilojoule. Okay, this is our required answer, student. If you find this video helpful, student, please do like and subscribe the channel, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.